Hello friends, last class we have completed about question number 50. Next we will go for question number 55. So here is the question. The band of the colored components of a light beam is called as its dash. So generally the band of colored beam, so these are the bands which are called as spectrums. The answer is spectrum. So next we will go for the next question. Question number 52. Erection of the rat tail is observed by after administration of dash. So generally there is a erection of rat tail in pharmacology. Practically you might have done it. So the answer is opioid analgesic. The option D is the right answer. Next question number 53. Who introduced mutation theory? In your plus 2 level you have studied it. So Edward Jenner, who introduced this mutation theory. Next we will go for question number 54. Liquid membrane systems are also called as dash. Generally liquid membrane systems, these are also called as multiple emulsion. So the option B is the right answer. So next question we will go for apparent bulk density is expressed in terms of dash. Generally bulk density, what we are conducting in practicals, we are using a measuring cylinder and we are putting powder particles. So the powders, that is in gram, and measuring cylinder is measured for this ml. So this is gram per ml. Next question we will go for question number 56. Absorption of radiation can be measured by using. Generally what you are conducting in the practical classes of analysis, generally absorption of any radiation is observed by spectrophotometry method. Next we will go for question number 57. So which is a mathematics. So here is the question. Two bells ring an interval of 94 seconds and 54 seconds. If they both ring at 10 o'clock in the morning together, after how many seconds will they ring together? For this question, for this type of question, we will go for LCM. So the LCM of 94 and 54, it comes, the LCM of 94 and 54, it comes 2578. So the bell next is ringing after 2538 seconds. So the answer option A is the right answer. So here is the solution, you just go for it. Next, it is a quiz question. The Chief Election Commissioner of India is appointed by whom? So the answer is the President is the answer, who choose the Chief Election Commission of India. Next question number 59. What is the symbol of the element calcium? So generally the symbol of element calcium, if you go to the periodic table, it is CS. The option B is the right answer. Question number 60. According to Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rule 1945, the insulin preparation should be stored at a temperature of dash. So the answer will be below 1 degree Celsius. The option C is the right answer. Okay. Next we will go for question number 61, which asks one quiz question. Barbara Caves, famous for rock cut architecture, is found in dash. Which state it is found? The answer is Bihar. Question number 63, it is from a pharmacology question. G protein coupled receptor. G protein coupled receptor, these are the 7 number helical structure receptor which are found in cell membrane. So the answer is question option D. The answer is option D. Okay, next question is a reasoning ability. So find the next number in the series. So here it is given 61, 73, 66, 78, 71, and what is the last one? So if you go for 61 plus 5, that is 66, 66 plus 5, 71. Similarly 73 plus 5, 78, 78 plus 5, 83. The right answer is 83. Option D is the right answer. Next we will go for question number 64. Which one of the following is the basic chemical test to identify anthracene glycosides in alloys? So generally anthracene glycosides are identified by these two tests, modified Bontrager test and Bontrager test, and other tests like Keller-Killiani test, Legal test, Baldet test, Baljet test. So these are cardioglycoside. For cardioglycoside, these are the tests. Okay, the answer will be A and B, but here the answer is given A. Okay, next we will go for question number 65. The question asks, smallpox vaccine is a dash. Generally, smallpox vaccine is a toxoid vaccine. Question option B is the right answer. Question number 66, angioedema. So generally angioedema is the adverse reaction affecting the dash. Angioedema is the adverse reaction which affect this skin. Okay. Next we will go for question number 67. Dash is the synthetic polymer. So here there are several natural polymers are there like gliadin, chitosan and pulanan. But question number option C is the caprolactone is the right answer for this. Next we will go for question number 68. A document or a set of document that serves as a basic of the batch documentation is called as your master record. Okay, this is the right answer. The option D is the right answer, master record. Question number 69. Antimony potassium tartrate is commonly known as dash. So Rochelle salt, sodium potassium tartrate is known as Rochelle salt. Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate is otherwise known as Epsom salt. Caustic soda, sodium hydroxide is otherwise known as caustic soda. The last one, tartar emetic, is otherwise known as antimony potassium tartrate. The option D is the right answer. Okay, next question. Next question we will go for question number 70, which is regularly asked in many competitive questions, like Patna city is situated on the bank of the river dash. So Mahanadi river bank, the city present is Cuttack. Brahmaputra is present in Assam. So Guwahati is the right answer for this. Ganga, many cities are found in on the bank river of Ganga. The Patna is also among them. So Ganga. The last option D, Yamuna, New Delhi is situated in Yamuna. So the option C is the right answer for it. Next question. Question number 71. Capsid is present in dash. Capsid is present in virus. Inside the virus, the capsid is present. Question number 72. CMC section of investigational new drug application should be bound in a green press board binder. So the option C is the right answer for it. Green press board binder is the right answer. Next we will go for how much temperature should be maintained during moist heat sterilization. So moist heat sterilization, you know that sterilization are different type. So out of them moist heat or autoclave sterilization is one of them. So where the temperature is the temperature is 121 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes at 15 psi or pressure. 15 pressure you have to take. So the answer is option A. Next, Chadha Cup. Chadha Cup is related to which game on sports? The answer is the direct answer is badminton. Next question, alcohol react with carboxylic acid in the presence of inorganic acid. So you can take acid, sulfuric acid you can take. So here what happened? The alcohol, so here it is the alcohol. So while there is a release of water, then what happened? There is a formation of ester. The right answer is ester. Option A is the right answer.